Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be trying Wingstop's limit time only Cajun meal. Now, I didn't even know this came out. I'm hungry right now. It's almost 9 o'clock. I haven't ate dinner, and I just felt the need to eat some Wingstop. I was craving it, so I checked the app, and then I saw this Cajun deal. Now, you can get them boneless, bone in, in the chicken sandwich. I got classic bone in, you know what I'm saying? But I think all it is just the voodoo sauce, the cheese, ranch, Cajun, all over the wings and the fries. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. You dig? Alright. I wish y'all can smell this right now. Going home on the car ride back, this was all up in my car. I was so hungry, bro. I haven't ate dinner yet, but look at that. Like I said, I think it's just the voodoo sauce. You got the cheese, you got the ranch, you got the Cajun sauce. Speaking of ranch, they didn't give me any ranch, and I put one order of ranch. You know what they gave me instead of ranch? The fuck am I gonna put ketchup? The fuck am I gonna do with ketchup? Man, get that shit out. Get that crap out of here, man. Without further ado, let's get right into it, man. I am starving. I haven't ate anything. Haven't ate dinner. But yeah. Ooh. Oh my god. Delicioso. Bro. Man, it'll be so much better with ranch to dip it in. I don't got no ranch, man. Whatever. The seasoning is well done on here. Can't complain. The cheese is just perfect on these ones. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah. All right, 8 out of 10, straight off the bat. The cheese is hidden right now. I got myself a strawberry high C, my go-to drink when I go to Wingstop. Did I do that? Anyways, man. Now, the bone-in was the more expensive one compared to the boneless and the chicken sandwich. I think this was $15 plus tax, and the boneless was $13. So yeah, I don't know, but hey, I see why they made this more expensive, because this is. Y'all see that? Wait, let me do my signature pull, man. Fuck that. Man. Hey. If you are a vegan, I don't know what to say with you, man. I have to eat meat. I'm like Luffy from One Piece. I have to eat meat, man. I'm not gonna lie, if you guys haven't seen my previous videos of Wingstop, my favorite flavor is lemon pepper. Now, these might be on par with the lemon pepper. Hey. Oh my god. There's no ranch to dip in. No, man, this is crazy. Mm. Mm. I don't know if it's because I'm just hecka hungry. But these are fire, bro. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat that piece right there. Y'all see that piece right there? Hold on. It's like covered in straight cheese. That one right there. Man, let me know what your guys' favorite flavors in the comment down below. You know what I'm saying? At least they gave me a fork. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with that ketchup. Should've gave me ranch. Stupid workers. You had one job to put ranch in my bag. I'm fucking shit up. I highly recommend y'all try this. Go out and try this right now. Limit time only, man. What happened to this wing, bro? It got left out. Can't complain, man. What are you guys, a drum or a flat type of guy? I like mine flat, you know what I'm saying? But another, if you know what I'm talking about, I like them drum in other ways. I don't know what the hell that meant, but if you know, you know. Yeah. This is why chicken wings are my favorite food, because I don't care what type of flavor it is, it's always gonna be good. Like, you can't fuck up chicken wings, bro. You can't. For $15, like, you go to like Buffalo Wild Wings, this will cost you like $25, bro. I'm not even kidding with you. 8 wings, $15, plug. Cheers. Holy shit. All in one bite. Like climax. Mm. 8 out of 10 for sure, man. I promised my mom, right, that I was gonna save her 2 rings. There's 2 left. I kinda wanna eat one more. She'll understand, right? Oh, I'm gonna give her the flat one. I'll get this one. Yeah. I'll save her this one. Fuck yeah. Oh. Ooh. Wingstop is S tier. Thanks for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below what should I post next, and until next time, excuse me, check out these 2 videos I got going on right here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.